Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we will continue our look on the Cockatiel and Budgie. So remember the last video I showed you that the Cockatiel has left his flight cage to occupy the flight cage of the Cockatiel, and they're living good together. So now I want to show you how they behave during the mealtime. So now that the seeds have been served, as you can see, everyone takes a space around the pan and they eat, including the budgie. If you look, the budgie there, it look like him have the most space, and it just there eat. For the duration of this video, guys, you will notice that his head does not lift up out of the pan, just there eat a go away. So them treat him good, as I've been telling you. There's no conflict, there's no war, there's nothing amongst them. They are just living good together. So as me tell you, these are two nice pets to have together. The budgie is still in the Cockatiel flight cage. To get him out, I think really and truly I would have to just go in and take him out, because him not no intention to leave. He love it, he enjoy being there. You see that one him finish eat, so he gonna relax. And the budgie is still at it, the budgie is still going, still eating. Remember to like out the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Goodbye, adios. Or tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel.